Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is visible.
Chalo, fine. So we'll start with this was the first picture, right?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, let's read out your story. So 1 second. Yeah, fine. And then like Rahul planned to meet his friend and they gathered at the restaurant in CP. Restaurant. They discussed their future plans after graduation. Okay, Rahul shared that he was started a preparation for UPSC examination and had inquired about fees, faculty, and course structure at several coaching institutes. He planned to join the most suitable one. His friend also shared their goals such as becoming a pilot or work in a company after finishing and food and all. Okay, just tell me, Puneet, what is the outcome of this story? Whenever you are writing out your story, always the psychologist will tell you one thing: what led to the situation, what is happening, and what would be the future outcome. So just tell me, what is the outcome of the story which you have written? Is there any
Hello.
outcome?
Sir, it was just a neutral picture,
Yeah.
what I have
Yeah, the
shown.
picture is
So
neutral. Okay. Yeah, yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
yes, yes, sir. And what I perceive that the friends plan a meet after a long vacation or a long after a long time.
Okay.
So
So
they
this is
met.
the theme you have decided is fine. There is no issue
Okay,
in your
okay.
theme. Your theme is meeting, right?
Yes, sir.
Meeting old friends. That's what theme is. This is your theme, right? Meeting old
Yes, sir.
friends.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So just tell me then, like you directly wrote here, Rahul planned to meet his friend. Now, how he planned to meet is the real thing. You haven't mentioned what are the plannings he did. The main action of the story, if you are writing related to that, is what are the actions he took on. How he met his old friend, like it might be something that he was on his leave to his place or where like after the office or something, or might be in a vacation. Then over there he decided to meet his old friends which you have written over here. Then first of all you have to meet, like first of all you have to get their concern, like if they are free or not. So the first thing is reaching out to them, then later on knowing about whether they are free on that day. Then with the common consensus he then plan a meeting at some place. After that he will book that place, or you have written here a restaurant, right?
Sir, what I thought while looking this picture, I thought if I am adding those points like how they planned or like sorry how he planned, how he arranged the meetings, or so it will make my story so long.
See, how many line story you have written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. In per line, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 words and 12 line of stories. That is almost what we can say is 12 into
96
8,
words.
which is 96 words of story, right? But when you will see when you will listen to the psychologist, they always tell 10
Hmm.
lines of story, and estimation
Okay.
of the word is 100.
Okay.
And if I am writing a story of, let's say, if I am writing a story of 12 lines, I will write a story consisting of 120 words with proper actions. In this story, you haven't wrote even one action, which would be actually what psychologist will say. You are writing here is a screenplay. It is not what your hero is doing or what he is not doing. You are moreover writing to the story is a screenplay that Rahul have planned to meet his friends. Okay, this much is fine. Let's say your story should start right. Rahul on a vacation decided to plan a meetup with friends. So, ठीक है? You will get a full stop
Okay.
here. After this, your next line should be he first of all reached out to them, messaged them, and called them, told about his location. No, came with the common concerns about the day they are free on. Full stop. Now, comma. Then he planned a meetup at this restaurant, whatever you written, a restaurant at Delhi CP. He called the restaurant and booked the seat for the four of them. Okay. Now that's what led to the situation is. It will take up to 3 lines. At max, it will be taking up to 3 lines. It will not take then more than a 3 line story.
And sir, what about the rest of the part? Is it
Yeah,
okay
yes,
or
I'm
should
coming. I'm
I?
coming. I'm coming to every part.
Okay,
Don't
okay,
worry.
okay,
So what
okay.
you have again started is they discuss their future plans. Now here see, if he's at his vacation, then he might be some college student or something, right? Now let's say you are right here that you're preparing for UPSC. Now this will show your lack of imagination power. You're not having the imagination that you are not able to think out of the zone of the competitive examination. Let's say you are going. What is your bachelor's degree? What have you done in your
Uh,
bachelor's?
BTech, sir.
You have done your BTech. That is a fine and good degree. If you've done your BTech, then why you want to go for this particular field? Or rather than this, you can talk about the recent analytical thinking like data scientist or data analyst or software development, which are in a boom. You can tell them about your that plan in that particular direction. What you have to write more over here is they discuss this. They discuss. They first of all they won't directly start discussing about their future. First of all, they will sit. They will meet each other, greet, and they will order for the starters. After that, meanwhile discussion, Rahul took up the topic of future plans. He told about his plan where he have to grow in the field of data scientist. He have joined the company at so and is continuously working upon his skills. Also, he talked to his friends, like you have written whatever this. You should not actually mention this and all. Then whatever you have mentioned here, his friends also shared about their goals such as pilot or working in a company, etc. So. Rahul also asked them to tell about their like this pilot. You have written about pilot. He might be his friend from school then, because if he's someone from the college, then it is not possible that he's a pilot. Because
Sir, they met after their graduation. Like they are graduation students.
okay, if they are a graduation student, one of them is a CSE BTech engineer, another want to become a pilot. Is that possible?
I haven't mentioned the
Yeah, you haven't
field
mentioned
now.
that. Okay, you haven't mentioned that. But is it? Let's say Rahul, if he want to become a pilot, and he is also someone from the college itself. That how it is possible that they are friends of the same department? Tell me
But
that
sir,
then.
there are many friends, many of my friends like who pursue their career in pilot
They
or
like if they see
some.
you are meeting them after your graduation. The graduation for
Yes.
pilot is actually it is already a pilot graduation for them. Like then how you as a pilot you are not planning, you're planning for UPSC after giving some crores of the fees of a pilot to become a pilot. The fees of
Mhm.
that similar thing is around 1.5 CR, and one of your friend is going to a company. Then how is this story relevant? Just tell me that.
Uh, Sorry, sir. मतलब, I can't understand your point. Can you explain it once again?
Okay, let's say, just tell me. You might be something. They might plan to meet his friend, and they gathered
Mm.
at a restaurant. That's all you wrote.
Mm.
Now
Yes.
just tell me how you planned this thing is the first and foremost thing. If you're there on some leave or vacation, then first and foremost thing is that.
They met after their graduation, after so many years. Like so many years, I haven't mentioned, but after 2 3 years. For, yes, after
See,
their
here you
after.
just have wrote Rahul planned to meet his friends and they gathered
Yes,
at the
sir. I
restaurant.
haven't mentioned the here like
Okay,
how
no issues.
after
You
how.
haven't mentioned. Okay, just think from your mind itself. If they are meeting
Mhm.
after 2 or 3 years, then what did Rahul
Yes.
did in that 2 or 3 years?
Like it's Acha, what did Rahul do in this 2 or 3 years?
Yes.
Um, he might be working in some sir, IT company at that time, so he still thinks like what he do in their future, or still he is in a deciding phase, like in
Then
which field
after the
he want to
graduation, he
go.
is in a deciding phase for 3 years. That will directly down your SOR, sense of responsibility? Where is the sense of responsibility of this person then?
Like he like so if he doesn't matlab, comfortable in that environment or not meeting his like
Now let's say now okay you are fine in that. Is not comfortable in that environment. Adaptability
okay.
again an OSQ is getting down.
Mhm.
Where is the adaptability factor then?
But when I wrote the sir UPSC examination, it someone told me about that कि your TAT story would be based on your like मतलब तुम्हारे पे based होनी चाहिए. So
मतलब
I
तुम्हारे
wrote
पे बेस्ड
UPSC.
होनी चाहिए दैट इज फाइन तुम्हारे पीआईक्यू से रिलेटेड होनी चाहिए वो भी उन्होंने सही
Hmm.
बोला है बट जस्ट टेल मी वन थिंग व्हाट इज द आउटकम ऑफ दिस स्टोरी इसको स्टोरी का आउटकम क्या
Sir,
निकला
no. It's a neutral story.
सो it is always said to have a what led to the
I
situation
just
what is happening and what would be the future outcome and in this story there is no outcome कोई outcome ही नहीं है स्टोरी में तो
yes sir. I
if
just
he's
wrote
planning
the
okay it's fine if
actions.
he's
Yes
planning
sir.
something to meet his friend outcome should be like what like the time they spend together अब यहाँ पे तुमने ये प्लान का ये चीज छोड़ दिया how he planned directly you
Mhm.
came up to the restaurant and in that
Mhm.
restaurant rather than enjoying you just started discussing about your future plans and उसमें you have shared about your UPSC and enquired and had inquired about fees, faculty and course. Okay, fine. This is and structure of several coaching institute. Then you are not even talking about you are not even meeting your friend, but rather on you are talking about your future or what you are doing. Then he planned to join the most suitable one. So okay, here you have told that he have planned to join some suitable coaching. Then what is this relevancy to that of you're meeting a friend? Just tell me that. and his friend also told them the same. And like if it is a graduation, then this story is not at all possible ना कि एक कोई पायलट बन रहा है, एक कोई कंपनी में
Mhm.
जाके काम कर रहा है, और यूपीएससी तो चलो ठीक है, एनीवन कैन डू दैट, बट पायलट वाला एंगल कहाँ से आ गया?
Sir, after graduation, there is still there confusion in many students,
So
like
why do
in
you want
which.
to show that? Why do you want to show that
Okay, yes, sir,
confusion?
got it, sir. Rather than describing the picture or explaining the picture, I think, more focus on like,
You are actually describing the
yes,
picture.
yes, yes,
This
sir.
is not how you have to actually write a
Right.
story.
Yes,
You
sir.
have to
Like
work
if
on
I,
this thing. Like
if I,
it is
yes.
always about what led to the situation. I wrote here Rahul. Okay, Rahul on his vacation, planned to meet his old friends. He firstly
Mm-hmm.
contacted them, came to know about their vacation and consensus, and
Right.
later on booked a restaurant with the approval from everyone. He talked to the restaurant and booked a seat for the Sunday. On the day, he with his friend went to the place, have a like whatever you can say is, gave a good smile and refresh their old memories. Then while having the food, they discussed their ongoing life with each other. They like if Rahul is there, then might be possible. Rahul told them about his future, and if he's doing UPSC, then that's fine. UPSC is not a big deal or anything. But if he's doing some job or something, let's say he's finalizing his career on that particular thing, he also came to know about his friend who are working in different sectors. He also came to know about different sectors, about what are the working of that, how they got into that, how they are enjoying their work and everything. That is how you have to. But still, in this story also there is no outcome. What I'm telling you, in that story also there is no particular outcome. If there
Yes,
is
sir.
no
Got
outcome in your TAT part, then how will the psychologist will evaluate your OLQ? OLQ ही नहीं दिखेगा उसको, तो evaluate क्या करेगा वो?
got a point, sir. Got a point. I should more focus on how they
See this
plan.
and see this picture very carefully. You can see a
Mm-hmm.
major. There is a disagreement between them. Just see this face. See the face of this person. See the hand gesture of this person. There is some disagreement between them.
Mm-hmm.
Also, they are sitting
Yes.
somewhere at their house. See, the perception also went wrong. Think Ria, think again about this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now this is your next picture. So what you have written over here is Vishal was going to Andaman with his family and was very excited. They had booked a 5-day package and round trip. On the day of the flight was okay, just tell me one thing. Who is the hero of this character? Who is the main character?
The person behind that boy.
Okay, the person behind that boy, who is his father? Are you father or something?
Uh,
Just tell me one thing. Are you father of or some of someone?
सर बट पिक्चर में अगर ऐसा दिख रहा है तो
ओके,
ऐसा
अगर
भी नहीं.
पिक्चर आपको ऐसा दिख रहा है कि देखो एक बार इस पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखो. डज ही लुक लाइक अ फादर?
Like if we perceive like a father, so
See,
can't
again
we
you are
take.
see again you are going too much big. Now here you have started with Vishal. Now you have finished off your story with his father as the hero. See, and again there is no such outcome of this picture. And how much big is your what led to the situation is this much. And what you have told over there is shortage of pilot. Is that really possible?
Sir, recent Indigo issue.
That is fine. That is fine. That I'm getting your point. But it have got solved within a week. And how this is actually possible? Was going to Andaman with his family and was very excited. They have booked a 5-day package and a round trip Indigo flight. Okay. And what is the sole outcome of this story? क्या है story में ऐसा कि psychologist will select you?
Like his father consoled him.
Okay. Then
Like
what
explain.
is your quality in this picture? Do you want to show your psychologist how he will be acting like a father? ये दिखाओगे क्या psychologist को?
Mm, no, I don't want to show it like a father. Like I think that person should be a friend also.
Okay,
I
that
should take
person
it.
is a friend, so that he should be the main character. And
Yes, yes.
why this much big what led to the situation and all? Rather than writing this, you can direct अगर तुम्हें कुछ ऐसा normally लिखना है, लिख दो कि विशाल ही मान लो the main character was standing at the back. Vishal while
Okay.
returning while in his class while or somewhere while passing through his classrooms came across his friend who was a little disheartened. He approached to him, came to know about his poor performance or a not good performance or an average performance in what I say is internship placement drive or the placement drive. He first of all motivated him and not told not to worry about. Also promises him that he will be helping him out. He prepared some good notes for him and gave it to him. Also took some mock interviews of him. Also got in touch with him to make his project for which he could present it to the company or the HR of the company for the internship roles. After that, he also make him prepare for the Viva as well as the technical round for the same. Later on, he took a surprise test as well as a mock interviews with the help of the professor as well as the placement department. And later on he got an internship. See, in this there is a what led to the situation, then there is what is happening, and there would be the outcome. तीनों चीज है इसमें.
Yes, sir.
Now
Got
in
it,
this
sir.
picture what इसमें psychologist है वो कर सकता है ना कि okay you are a helping person, you are having a good mindset of helping other, and what else, like how he is helping, a practical approach of helping him, वो सारी चीज वो इससे evaluate कर पाएगा ना. There is
Yes, sir.
nothing in this picture to evaluate.
सर मुझे लगता है कि मैं क्यों अननेसेसरी एक न्यूट्रल पिक्चर में कोई
लेकिन वो न्यूट्रल पिक्चर में आप ये बताओ तो इसमें वो क्या इवेलुएट करेगा.
सर नहीं नहीं वो पॉइंट भी समझ रहा हूँ मैं मतलब ठीक है वो
मतलब
आपकी
न्यूट्रल पिक्चर इज अ गो अहेड फॉर यू कैन मेक एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू इट.
ओके
न्यूट्रल पिक्चर तो और आपके लिए बहुत एक पॉजिटिव साइड है दैट यू हैव मेनी थिंग्स टू मेक ऑन दैट. दिस इज द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर, राइट. नेक्स्ट स्टोरी इज दिस इज योर स्टोरी. Rohit's colony was preparing temporary pool for a Chhat Puja where people offer their to rising in certain sun. One second. One second. हाँ जी. मैं जा रही हूँ. है ना? क्या हुआ? हाँ. हाँ. अरे आ जाओ. आ जा तो निकल जाएगा वापस. अच्छा ठीक है. ठीक है. ठीक. Okay, sorry for that. Yes, what I've written is preparing a where people can afford. Okay, when Rohit came to know about this, he went to the site and helped the people in building the pool. He also started digging a pit. With others, after pit was ready, they made a square-shaped pool using cement and bricks. Once the construction was completed, the pool was decorated with the lights and flowers. Finally, the people of the colony celebrated. Okay, the story is not bad. I will consider it as a good theme rather than वो ऊपर के दो के. ये ठीक है. This is workable because in this you are having an outcome to do.
यस सर
है कि नहीं. बट अगेन रोहित कॉलोनी वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर अ टेम्परेरी. अगेन यहाँ पे यू आर नॉट इवन राइटिंग, यू आर जस्ट डिस्क्राइबिंग व्हाट ही वांटेड टू डू. लाइक सी what you can more over right over here is as the Chhat Puja was approaching, Rohit, residents of whatever colony it is, decided to dig a temporary pool for the Arg or whatever for the puja of Chhat. He went to the secretary of society, wrote a requesting letter from with a sign of many residents of the society, and later on got the approval and little bit funding for the same. Rohit then with the society members and others decided to dig the pool and do the work. He with the help of Fawda, Tagada and shovel dig a part in the garden of the society, and later on he also uploaded trampoline plastic cover and later on put it up water in that and also decorated it with some. ओके एक सेकंड में कॉल अटेंड करना पड़ेगा. राहुल भाई यू कैन कंटिन्यू ऑन द स्टोरी प्लीज.
ओके ओके फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पुनीत यार एक चीज बताओ तुम, जैसे स्टार्टिंग की भी दो स्टोरी दी, व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम विद यू? जब मैंने आपको पहले क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शन दी थी उसमें कि आपके पास अगर न्यूट्रल पिक्चर आ रही है तो कितनी सारी थी मैं बनाने के लिए, फिर भी आप क्यों कर रहे हो? इतनी बेसिक स्टोरी क्यों बना रहे हो जिसमें ना आपके OLQ दिख रहे ना कोई भी एक्शन का पार्ट दिख रहा? मैंने बताया ना कि कोई भी पिक्चर को डिस्क्राइब करने से ज्यादा उसमें अपने एक्शंस लिखो जिससे तुम्हारे OLQ निकल के आएंगे, और आप कोई काम कर नहीं रहे हो.
सर द मोमेंट आई सॉ द पिक्चर द मतलब मेरे को जो जैसे मतलब उस टाइम पे ऐसा समझ में आता है क्योंकि मैंने टाइमर लगा के लिखा तो मैंने वो चीज लिख दिया, तो उस वजह से थोड़ा सोचने
हाँ
में.
वो तो देखो टाइमिंग का इशू है, और आपका 2 तारीख से SSB है, तो तभी तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि आपको तो ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत थी. मैंने आपसे देखो पहले ही सारी चीजों के बारे में आपको पता है, और मैंने आपको 20 दिन पहले ही जब टेट का पार्ट चल रहा था मैंने तभी आपको सारी चीजें लिखा दी थी.
Yes,
कि
sir.
हर चीज पर कैसे स्टोरी बनाना है, सारी थीम्स बता दी थी।
Sir.
अगर आप कोई भी चीज को देखोगे, अगर आप मेरे को सिंगल एक पॉइंट ऐसा बता दो जो मैंने आपको नोट नहीं कराया हो, और अगर बताया नहीं हो कि किस टाइप की पिक्चर आती है, कैसे थीम बना सकते हो। आपने बीटेक करी है और वो सारे दोस्त बैठकर बात भी कर रहे थे, तो आप कोई भी मेजर प्रोजेक्ट, कोई भी एनुअल फंक्शन, किसी के भी रिलेटेड चीज की स्टोरी रखते हो, रेदर देन टू डिस्क्राइब द पिक्चर।
वही सर, मैं थोड़ा उस तरफ चले जाता हूँ कि मतलब मैं सीधा प्रोसेस एक्सप्लेन कर सकता था कि मतलब कैसे उन्होंने प्लानिंग करी, मतलब फिर मैं
यस, देखो,
उस।
मैंने आपको देखो पहले ही एक लाइन जैसे एक और लिखाई थी, ध्यान होगा आपको कि प्रिपरेशन से ज्यादा इसमें प्रोसेस और एक्शन पार्ट पे ध्यान देना। देखो प्रिपरेशन चल जाएगी उसमें, एक बार पीपीडीटी की पिक्चर लिख रहे होगे उसमें चल जाएगी, बट इसमें तो आपको एक्शंस डालना पड़ेंगे ज्यादा से ज्यादा।
यस सर।
समझ रहे हो? चलो इस स्टोरी को पढ़ो।
सर पिक्चर थर्ड।
हाँ, थर्ड को पढ़ो।
Sir, Rohit's colony was preparing a temporary pool for Chhat Puja where people offer arghya to rising and setting sun. When Rohit came to know about this, he went to the site and helped the people in the building the pool. He also started digging a pit along with others. After the pit was ready, they made a square-shaped pool using cement and bricks. Once the construction was completed, the pool was cleaned and decorated with lights and flowers. Finally, all the people of the colony celebrated Chhat Puja together at that place.
ओके, वेरी गुड। देखो इस पिक्चर में आपकी थीम भी अच्छी है, और इसमें जो एक्शन पार्ट है वो निकल के भी आ रहे हैं, और क्या वर्केबल आइडिया है वो भी काम कर रहे हैं, तो इस टाइप की पिक्चर चलेंगी।
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है ना? आप देखो इसमें आपने कहीं ना कहीं वो चीजें पॉइंट्स आउट की हैं। देखो इसमें आप हेल्प का पार्ट है वो भी आप ले रहे हो कॉलोनी वालों के साथ, और आप चाहे खुद भी कर रहे हो कि टिकिंग उसने साथ में की, फिर वो और जो भी उसमें प्रॉपर एक्शन ऐसे लिखना होता है कि सीमेंट और ब्रिक्स की हेल्प से पूल को शेप दिया।
Sir, what the problem coming in my story is now, sir, if there is any neutral picture, so what I do, I totally switched into like describing the मतलब like actions to actions लिखने की जगह मैं describe करने चले जाता हूँ pictures को।
हाँ, तो क्यों डिस्क्राइब करना? देखो आप कोई
मतलब
भी,
वो।
देखो मेन है, मैं बताता हूँ, मेन चीज है आप उसकी थीम को पकड़ो। अगर एक बार आप थीम को अगर पकड़ पा रहे हो अच्छे से, तो फिर उस थीम के रिलेटेड ही तो आप स्टोरी बनाओगे, तो फिर आप उसमें एक्शन पुट कर पाओगे। आप मेरे को बताओ कि आप यूपीएससी की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, आप
सही।
अपने माइंड में आइडिया सोच रहे हो, एडवाइस ले रहे हो, बट कर क्या रहे हो? कुछ नहीं कर रहे थे तुम उसमें।
सही।
अंडरस्टैंड? अब इसमें जैसे आपने
मतलब
एक
मैंने सर जैसे कि
प्रैक्टिकल चीज
उसमें।
लेके, हाँ बताओ।
सर मैंने जैसे कि उसमें ये चीज़ मेंशन करी थी कि मतलब मैंने जो किया था, मैंने काफ़ी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स में इंक्वायरी करी थी, लाइक व्हाट द कोर्स स्ट्रक्चर, व्हाट द फीस
बट देयर इज
दे
नो
चार्ज।
आउटकम ना, तुमने बस उस पर इंक्वायर करके छोड़ दिया। व्हाट इज द आउटकम ऑफ दैट थिंग?
Yeah, sir, I totally agree with you. There is no any outcome in that story, sir.
इसमें देखो,
चलो ठीक है,
देयर इज
बस कंटिन्यू
आउटकम इन
करो।
दिस पिक्चर, देयर इज आउटकम इन दिस पिक्चर दैट यू आर सेलिब्रेटिंग इट एंड यू हैव मेड इट, बट अगेन दिस स्टोरी रिक्वायर्स टू मच ऑफ रिफाइनमेंट। इतना ज्यादा ये जो आपने लिखा ना कि दैट इन दिस इन दैट इन, ये छोड़ के यू जस्ट हैव टू फोकस ऑन द एक्शन दिस आई हैव टोल्ड
True.
यू, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
काइंड ऑफ दिस इज काइंड ऑफ वर्केबल स्टोरी, बट अगेन व्हेन यू विल कंसीडर इट विद दिस, ठीक है, काइंड ऑफ वर्केबल स्टोरी बोल सकते हैं इसको।
Okay, sir.
Next your picture is this, right? So Shyam went to India Gate to watch the 77th Republic National Day Parade. He stood among the crowd and observed the student march over shoulder. See, again you are not taking out this. यहाँ पे you can clearly see they are actually attacking some base or something. Again, why you are not taking this? You are forcefully converting this picture into a neutral picture.
सर मैंने बिल्कुल ही नहीं देखा ये, तो मतलब कि ये कोई ब्लास्ट मतलब मेरे को समझ नहीं आया, मतलब थोड़ा वैसा लग रहा था, क्लियर नहीं था उतना, तो इस वजह से मैंने
Yeah, fine,
मैंने
but यहाँ
एक
पे
फॉर्मेशन।
you can see this particular thing. This is a clear blast situation when they are attacking something. Might be possible Mocky drill डाल देते, that would be good, but here you are coming very late to the picture. पहले you are seeing you are coming to the picture from here. First of all, you are watching the discipline march of the soldier and patriotic, and then you are coming up with this. But again there is no outcome. You are just going to see a Republic Day parade. Then again, what is the outcome of the picture? The psychologists don't want to see your day-to-day life, what you are doing in your life. They want to see what you can do actually. Where is the outcome of this picture? No outcome again. Again, you have perceived the picture also very wrongly. Perception भी आपका गलत गया है. Getting it?
Yes, sir, got your point, sir.
You actually have to work so much on your this part. Like you are not getting that particular thing. How you have to write a story. How you have to approach a story. See, this is the next picture.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rohan, a 23-year-old BTech graduate from Meerut. Notice Kumar Hanson's local facing delay due to Manual inventory management using the knowledge of data analysis is developed a Python script. Okay, then again, what is the use of this no vacancy board if they are facing an issue?
Sir, I explained it, sir.
So you explained it. Okay, wait. He developed a Python script, then he visited the office to propose his idea. He saw no vacancy sign, but he didn't lose confidence. Okay, then again, I will tell you one single thing is how if he is not a worker of that particular company, how he knows that how he knows this thing was facing a delay due to manufacturing inventory management. How as a normal person who is not working in the company knows? कैसे पता है उसको ये चीज?
मतलब सर एक मेंशन कर देता मैं अगर लिंक्ड उसने
अगेन you are also not that free कि तुम जहाँ पे तुम काम ही नहीं करते हो वहाँ पे जाके विजिट करके you are just showing them a project which they are not about of. You are a 23-year-old BTech graduate. BTech actually, if you are not having drop or anything, BTech actually completes at the max of age of 22. Again, you have one more year into this, and again you are just making some free project for these companies.
सर एक इसमें प्रोटैगनिस्ट ने एक ऐसी ऐड देखा कि हाँ इस कंपनी में ये ऐसा हो रहा है तो
But
ये चीज ऐड करके
which company will put up an ad of facing delay?
मे बी ही मतलब उसने किसी अपने फ्रेंड से सुना हो मतलब अगर मैं ये चीज
But again, if it is something like that, then why do a Rahul? Is he someone from NGO or someone, or he's getting paid for that?
ही इज लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब
But over there, for your job, you have to apply for the company and later on go for what? Interview, technical round and all. But यहाँ पे तो अपना project बना रहा है, and even when it is not required, when it is not asked for, then what is the relevancy? Tell me. You tried put it up. You tried in the story to put up your imagination, but again, it is not at all related to the picture. This is not at all related to what you have written over here. Think. Like you are. Rahul haven't told you. Like Rahul, I guess you have sent some sample stories also. Still, you are not able to. Like you are not actually able to cope up with the thing. Like what actually is required in SSB. This is your next picture. So, Suraj was sitting with his family in the living room. Okay, he told his father about a news article in the paper that talked about the layoff happening in many companies. Now, see, this story is again related to your job, and then very next story is again related to the job. दो स्टोरी कंटिन्यूअस में आपने रिलेट कर दी जॉब से, and again lack of your imagination comes into the play. Okay, no issues. Suraj was sitting with his family in the living room. He told his father about a news article, newspaper that talked about layoff happening in many companies, which made him worry about his future. His father and his family member explained that layoff usually does not focus on improving their skills and see again you are not again you are doing the same mistake. वहाँ पे भी तुम्हारे पापा ही तुम्हारी मदद कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे भी your father is helping you out. Again, what is the outcome?
But sir, here is my protagonist is Suraj.
Okay, Suraj is the protagonist. Okay, then why your protagonist is Suraj? And his father and his family member explained that layoff usually affect people who do not focus on improving their skill and do not contribute to the company's growth. They assured Suraj with his hard working. See, what you are telling here is Suraj is concerned and his family is supporting him. तुम्हारा protagonist ही तो से क्या नहीं, your protagonist is not have that ability to cope up or not the ability to get motivated by himself. तो ये कैसे हो सकता है possible? Again, your protagonist is not doing anything here. Again, your family is doing the thing. Again, what will the
But
psychologist
sir,
think? You directly cut off your story. कोई इसका outcome नहीं बन रहा है. See, there should be a what led to the situation, what is happening at the moment, and what will be the future. You are mentioning all the three things, but not in the right format. What it is required. You actually have to focus more on this. Like, अब तो time ही खत्म हो गया है, but again, this is not how you have to actually write your stories. Rahul, haven't you shared him with some stories related to?
मैंने स्टोरी तो भेजने की जरूरत नहीं, मैंने तो इनको सब कुछ बता ही दिया था और खासकर पुनीत को समझाया था मैंने अच्छे से, बट पता नहीं सब में वही मिस्टेक कर रहा है. मैंने देखो पुनीत उसमें चेक भी करना एक लाइन होगी कि खुद से मोटिवेटेड होना चाहिए और कभी भी विक्टिम नहीं होना चाहिए, और वही काम इसमें किया है आपने. मेरे को यहाँ तक याद है वो सारे पॉइंट्स अभी तक, बट आपने अपनी स्टोरी पढ़ी नहीं रहे.
नहीं सर, वो नहीं सर, आपने तो लिखा था, बट जब डैड स्टोरीज लिखने बैठो और वो सारे पॉइंट्स को दोबारा से रिकॉल करना एक सडन पिक्चर देखते वक्त,
अरे हो जाते हैं यार भाई. मैंने कितना बार बोला था कि उसको बार बार पढ़, एक दिन में 10 बार. अभी तुम कुछ कर तो रही नहीं हो ना, कोई जॉब है, घर पर बैठ के अगर तुम अपनी जो पॉइंट्स है, कितने पॉइंट्स होंगे टोटली, ज्यादा से ज्यादा होंगे 50 पॉइंट्स होंगे लगभग, एक दिन में 10 बार पढ़ उनको. 10-10 घंटे कम से कम। देख भाई, मैंने सिंपल बताया था कि सिर्फ यही ऐसा एग्जाम है जिसको तुम 2-3 महीने पढ़ के अच्छे से क्लियर कर लोगे, बट अगर तुम पढ़ना नहीं चाह रहे तो फिर कोई क्या ही कर सकेगा। अब उनको पॉइंट्स को पढ़ने में कितनी बड़ी बात थी यार।
You're not actually able to
अब
cope
बता,
with it. Like, ठीक है राहुल, share him with some good story ideas. मतलब story idea भी नहीं, एक story उसको भेज देना. How they actually have to write a story. 2 दिन का टाइम है, you will
ओके,
get
मैं
a good idea.
एक डोजियर वाली भेज दूंगा और उसमें थोड़े रिफाइनमेंट कर लेना, ठीक है। मैं वो मेरी थोड़ी
Yes,
साइज
sir.
के हिसाब से या पुनीत थोड़े रिफाइन और अपने हिसाब से उसमें रिफाइनमेंट कर लेना। मैं सारी स्टोरी भेज दूंगा, ठीक है।
Yes, sir. It will work, sir.
Okay, this is
Thank
the
you.
next picture, right? Yes, and here is Samir, a 22-year-old college student, noticed that several streetlights in his colony were not working, making it to use of the resident at night. Instead of ignoring, he noticed that the pole number and discussed the issue with the RWA. He then submitted a written complaint at the local ward officer. ठीक है, the story is workable, not bad story. That this type of theme is fine. यहाँ पे the psychologist will think, okay, he's having a good mindset about it. But look into this picture very carefully. He is looking at this boy. There is no street light info anywhere in this whole picture. The sole picture story here is a man who is standing here. Your A perception is going wrong. Not even a perception. Now your A perception is going this much wrong.
Sir,
Where
can't
is
we
this?
ignore
Just,
that?
just
Like,
tell me one thing. Where is the street light in this picture? कहाँ है इस picture में street light? बताओ.
sir, वही पूछ रहा था सर मैं कि मतलब can't we ignore those मतलब objects
तुम अगर
like
पिक्चर के स्टिमुलस को ही इग्नोर कर दोगे, then it is a preconceived idea. Then this idea is completely preconceived.
तो सर ये मतलब doesn't this image looks like a neutral one? Like,
How this image is neutral? Just tell me, this guy is looking straight into this particular man or someone, and how can this image be neutral? Yes, this image is a neutral image, not an issue in that. But where I just want to know in this particular whole situation, where is the street light installed?
sir, I just saw the road. मतलब he's
There is a
walking-
road, but again there is nothing, no such thing ना. जब वो चीज है नहीं, अगर तुम्हें यहाँ पे एक स्ट्रीट लाइट खड़ा सा दिख जाता, then it is fine. यहाँ पे तुम्हें साइकोलॉजिस्ट ने DIPR, अब पागल तो है नहीं कि वहाँ पे तुम्हारे सामने they are making a picture in which there is a whole house and there is a man standing in front of you and you are at the back of him looking into the man. तो do you think DIPR is that mad कि वो तुम्हें अगर तुम्हें वो देखना है कि उनको तुम स्ट्रीट लाइट कैसे बनवाते हो तो उनको उससे रिलेटेड पिक्चर देते हैं? Why the DIPR will give you some picture like this if they are actually qualified psychologists over there who are sitting over there, they have done a good course of psychology, then why won't they give you a picture of a street light in the whole picture? Why will they give you picture like this for write the story you have written? What is the point of that? बताओ क्या point होगा?
And sir, what if we put that problem that we should we have to install one street light because
But where is that
there
thing over in this picture? वो चीज इस पिक्चर में कहाँ है? मेरे को बस इतना बता दो.
नहीं मतलब हम ये चीज मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि सपोज स्ट्रीट लाइट नहीं है बट वो उस रोड पे कोई स्ट्रीट लाइट नहीं है
तो ठीक
और
है,
हमारा
तो
इनिशिएटिव
वो
ये
लड़का
रहता है
किस
कि
वो जो हमारा हीरो है, why will he be looking to another person like this? ये दूसरे पर्सन देने का वहां पे what is the role of that stimulus then? बताओ.
एग्जैक्टली यस यू आर राइट
Rethink and reevaluate yourself. This is the next picture, right? So Aryan noticed that just before Diwali and the AQI in Delhi has reached surf category, affecting children and elderly people in the most. Then he along with his friend organized an anti-cracker bicycle. Again, very good. You are making something related to Diwali and you are targeting it with an anti-cracker rally. Now the psychologist will think that you are having some inclination to some particular organization or anything. अभी तो दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट ने भी इस बार क्रैकर अलाउड कर दिया था. What is the role of this psychologist? को क्यों दिखा? Why do you want to show the psychologist your inclination towards a particular thinking?
Sir, Delhi government just allowed the only eco-friendly crackers, sir.
Eco-friendly cracker allow तो किया ना? They have allowed that.
Yes,
But
sir.
what you are writing over here is anti-cracker bicycle ride. And that too, how many of you are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4 of you. And thus this location look like a Delhi. Is this a Delhi? ये ऐसा है दिल्ली? तो कभी देखा है आपने कभी? Have you seen the Delhi any time like this?
No,
यहाँ पे
sir.
बिल्कुल नेगेटिविटी नहीं है. Then you are installing this negativity campaign. Why? Next picture was this. This kind of story will never work. You have to actually build up a mind of writing a story. How you have to actually write your story down. This is your next picture. No one was returning from his morning yoga when he heard a child crying from the first floor balcony. Noticed out of the house. The door was locked from outside and neighbor were unable to enter. He climbed. Okay, very good. Can you look into the dress of this person? इसका ड्रेस देखना एक बार. Just look at the dressing sense of this person. मॉर्निंग जॉग करने के लिए आप धोती पहन के जाते हो क्या?
So मतलब क्लाइम करने के लिए he just fold his pajamas all over
Is
this
that a
thing.
pajama? Just ask anyone in the whole. Do anyone having this type of pajama?
सर आई मतलब मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मतलब लोअर फोल्ड करके मतलब क्लाइम करने
रबिश है,
के लिए।
बहुत रबिश बना रहे हो. यू आर नॉट इवन हैविंग ए परसेप्शन माइंड एंड यू आर थिंकिंग दैट यू विल गेट रेकमेंडेड. ऐसा पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ना यार. Your story idea is not bad, but why do you want to again put up someone, forcefully include someone from the jogging or anything? Where it is there in this picture यार कि he is jogging or something? बता देना कहाँ है इस पिक्चर में कि he is having a pajama. Does pajama look like that? Just look at to his this waist. Just look at to his dressing sense. No one, no, literally no one who want to prepare and have a good mind of perception will ever tell that he's someone who have came from jogging and etc.
So just trying to start the story anyhow. That's why
You have
I
then why do see? Doesn't just tell me? Doesn't he look like a milkman or anything? दूध वाले को देखा कभी आते हुए? वो धोती में आता नहीं आता है? Or someone from that particular village itself, or someone from that particular area itself. Why do you want to consider him someone? कहाँ से jogging का लग रहा है? You just have we are having one more person. Rahul, just ask him. ये कहाँ से do from any angle does he look like a pajama which is holding upwards?
अरे अब क्या बताऊं मैं उसको, क्लियरली उसमें दिख रहा है कि वो धोती और वो कुर्ता टाइप पहने हुए हैं।
Where is the
क्या यार, अपनी
यार,
तब
ये
तक क्लियरली तो देख ले उसमें।
यहाँ पे तो it is a clear picture. ये तो PPTT भी नहीं है. You are having a very good and clear picture over here. Still you are doing this mistake. This idea is good, but again, see how much time you took it to come to the action. Rohan, once you just see the line. Rohan returning from his morning jog when heard a child crying from the first floor of the bus. Second line, balcony and noticed that the thick smoke coming out from his house. Third line, the door was locked from outside. Fourth line, and neighbor were not able to enter. 5 lines. Then where will you write your action, buddy? कैसे बताओगे तुमने? फिर तो तुम्हारा यही हो जाएगा. He safely reached the balcony and safely rescued the child. But how he did that, मेरे भाई?
सर यही थोड़ा मतलब प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है कि मतलब अगर पहले एक्सप्लेन कर दो ज्यादा चीजों को, मतलब
एक्सप्लेन
सिचुएशन
करना ही
समझ।
नहीं रहता है भाई मेरे. एक्सप्लेन, यू नेवर हैव टू एक्सप्लेन इट. यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन द एक्शन. रोहन ही है तो माइट बी मिल्कमैन और समथिंग. रोहन while Rohan was distributing the milk when he came across a window from where thick smoke was coming. Bus, full stop. He rushed to the place, saw that the gate was locked. He quickly shouted, took out the rope from his or bike which he used to tie that tank, went uphold it to a look and uphold it to the rack or something at the building, climbed it cautiously until the men arrived, went inside, opened up the window, looked for the person who was there, and later on took him outside from the gate. Also meanwhile switched off the this क्या कहते हैं, switched off the electricity current. Meanwhile he also shouted the person to inform to the authority, like firefighter came down, informed the family of the particular house, and later on saved like that. ये स्टोरी होती है यार. ये क्या है? 5 लाइन ऑफ एक्सप्लेनेशन. इज दैट क्या देखना है? साइकोलॉजिस्ट को नहीं दिखेगा क्या वो पिक्चर में क्या है क्या नहीं है? तुमको व्हाई डू यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन दैट थिंग भाई? वेरी दिस द थीम इज गुड बट स्टोरी इज नॉट वर्केबल. हर स्टोरी में यही दिक्कत आ रहा है. छठ पूजा वाले में भी यही दिक्कत था. नेक्स्ट इज योर दिस पिक्चर, राइट? Ritik noticed that a nearby village was cut off in a flash flood and they were running low of essential supplies like clean water and ration. He ऐसे ही get this many of cuts. इतने cuts you don't have to do. People from his own village to arrange the immediate aid. They then waving the passenger truck on the road. They stop the truck and explain the situation to the driver. Okay, the story is workable, but again, this much big line to come to the particular picture. Too big. And if the village is cutted off due to the flood or anything, the first and foremost thing is you have to inform the what? Authority को कौन inform करेगा about the situation? And meanwhile they gathered, he with the help of the villagers will be going to the particular village with how many amount of luggage they can carry, and rather afterward ये truck का involvement, you can see that some people are shouting at the truck for some reason, and you can see this light is blinking off. See, it is going down. You're not even including this part, then how can this story you can tell that it can be worked? बताओ. This is your next picture, right? Last picture is this. Okay, fine. While returning from college, Aman witnessed a collision. See, this is very good. This much of introduction, very good. बस between a car and scooter. बस इतना छोटा सा introduction हर picture में रख दोगे तो फिर क्या ही बात है? He immediately rushed to the spot. He saw the scooterist was unconscious and bleeding. He used his handkerchief to apply pressure on the wound and asked the bystander to call for a. See, the scooterist is bleeding like hell. Half of the road is filled with blood, and still you will be waiting for the ambulance. Then what is the use of that car which the psychologist has given you there? कार भी तो है, why can't you take that car? Why do you want to why do you want to take the car's number? Why don't you take this car itself to the hospital? Again, no such action to this story. You have to work on the action part of each and every story भाई, एक एक स्टोरी का तुमको एक्शन लिखना पड़ेगा. Next is Rahul planned a family trip to Mukeshwar with his family by his own car. He checked the weather and condition and ensured that the warm cloth umbrella. See, यहाँ पे you have written good amount of action. Blank story है तो अच्छे अच्छे action लिख दे. But where are the actions in your all the 11 stories? 11 stories में तो कोई action ही नहीं डाले हो तुम.
सर मतलब ये तो
You have to work
ऑलरेडी
so much.
प्रिपेयर्ड था.
हाँ तो तुमको बहुत काम करने की जरूरत है. You are not even able to come up with some good actions or anything. चलो कोई नहीं. We come to your bad part. Clear goal shape career good, fine. Dear country is dear to soldier, fine. Good firm could make good profit. Could this could cannot be work. Could be can be this you have to leave
ओके
that
ओके,
type
यस
of
सर,
word.
यस सर, यस सर.
Unity make nation strong, ठीक है. News always trust on. See again you are commanding over here, not workable. Favorite a good person can be. See revolt reform prevent social ठीक है workable, good idea. Commitment duty demands commitment, okay workable. This is also workable. Depth deep knowledge build confidence, very good. Social maintain social distance to prevent. See again you are commanding over here, not workable. Manage time to. See again you are commanding here, weak. Practice make your. See again your and this type of words are not actually allowed. Practice hard to score, good. See again you are commanding over here. You shouldn't be commanding here. Good partner make your life. See again your Rahul, you haven't told them to not use this kind of word. क्या हो गया?
बताया था अपनी, बताया था कि नहीं?
Yes sir, sir. मतलब sir actually my like yesterday my health is not that good, so
लगा दिया आकाश भाई, जो जो आप बता रहे हो ना, जो नहीं करना है वो सब लिखा है इनके ऊपर. फिर भी वो वही करके आ रहे हैं, जो लिखाया है क्या करना है वो नहीं कर रहे ये लोग.
A lively person spreads positive. Okay, this is workable. Fighter, a true fighter never give. See here you have been selective. Why do you want to include this true word? A fighter never give up. बस इतना भी तो रख सकते हो. What do you mean by true fighter? Wisdom, experience develop wisdom, fine workable. Understanding build strong team, workable, good. ऐसे टाइप के लिखो ना, ऐसे टाइप में लिखने में क्या दिक्कत है आपको? Leaders work for public, ठीक है workable. Sorry, this is also workable. Aim should be. See again. Why you are doing this mistake? Logic. Always give good logic. See again, you are being commanding over here. Bond, mother son bond is so powerful. Okay, workable. Authority comes with responsibility. Word workable. Hard work leads to success. ठीक है. A good plan. See again, you are being selective over here. A plan leads to success. Never be selective. Plan है तो good ही होगा वो. You have to think in that particular way. Discord used for communicating people. Okay, but why? What the psychologist will get by this? What is the OLQ you are reflecting from this particular? You will get 0 for this, not negative but 0. Discipline start.
क्यों अपनी एक सेकंड आकाश भाई, क्यों अपनी तुमने उसमें टाइमर से नहीं लिखे ना ये सारे?
ये सर मतलब मैंने इस अपनी प्रैक्टिस के लिए भी लिख दिए थे, तो मतलब लिखे तो सर टाइम से ही है, बट
नहीं
थोड़ा
टाइम से मतलब किस टाइप से?
मतलब सर मैंने लिखे टाइम से ही है, बट थोड़ा सोच के लिख लिया ताकि एटलीस्ट मैं मतलब बात के लिए प्रिपेयर कर लूँ.
अरे तो ये टेस्ट की तरह तुमको करना था ना, जब पहले इंस्ट्रक्शन दी थी आकाश ने कि बिल्कुल टेस्ट की तरह करना है. ये तुमने, मेरे को पता है कि कोई भी 15 सेकंड के लिए नहीं लिखे हैं, एक भी नहीं लिखे तुमने.
नहीं सर, ऐसा मतलब ब्रेक ले लेके लिखे हैं, जैसे कि 10 वर्ड्स लिख लिए, बट मैंने पहले ही देख लिए थे वर्ड्स को, देन वो लिखे हैं. और मैंने सर
तो फिर
मतलब
टेस्ट का क्या मतलब रहेगा?
सर मतलब मैं ये दिखा रहा था कि अभी भी इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है या फिर गलत लिख रहा हूँ.
अरे यार चलो ठीक है
यार टेस्ट था तो टेस्ट की तरह आपको लेना था इसको.
सॉरी सर, मतलब मैंने सीधा
कोई नहीं.
मतलब
See again you are using this type of word your. अगर आप टाइमिंग से नहीं लिख रहे तब तो आपको एकदम बिल्कुल परफेक्ट होना चाहिए था यार. अभी you shouldn't be. This is not actually now allowed to do this type of mistake. चलो next is statement. Statement should be. See again should be. Close. Children are very close to their parents. Workable. But again you are showing here children. What is your OLQ in this? Organization. NGO help need one. NGO. Why do you require NGO? Organization से बहुत सारी चीजें बन सकती है. Indomitable. You don't know the meaning of this?
नो सर.
You have to actually write meaning, not known. You have to write like this. Otherwise वो सोचेगा you have left this word. Write meaning not known. Essence. So is this relaxing? ठीक है. See again heartless में you have left the word. Very negative. You will get minus for this. Faithful. Duty keeps member faithful. Workable. Continuous. Continue practicing till you see again. Continue practice. You are commanding here. Not workable. Stranger. Ice breaking. Important for to talk to stranger. ठीक है. Workable. Confident. A confident person never speaks lie. See again. Why do you want to speak a lie? What is this? Snakes poison used for medicine purpose. This is ठीक है, fine है. You'll get 0 for this. But what is the OLQ coming out from this word? Promotion. Your again your. Next is passion is the sign of strength. ठीक है, workable. Always win any match. Workable. Good planning avoid trouble. Workable. Many small clan unite to make a big community. Workable. Focus on your this poison, weakness, laziness. See again is a poison. You have been negative over here. You'll get minus for this. Childhood value start from childhood. Okay, ठीक है, workable. Could be considered. Friend.
सर पॉइजन का क्या क्या चीज था, मतलब कैसे?
Weakness, laziness is a poison. मतलब what is actually you are showing over here is you are just telling. थोड़ा सा you have to focus more on this.
Okay.
This word. Friend, a true. See again you have been selective over here. Is true. Govern good government govern the country nicely. Again you have been selective. Good. Difficult. Good planning. Again good. 3 continuous. Time management increases efficiency. Okay. Good. Again same thing. Rules should be. Again. Push. Motivation pushes ourself. Again. Frequently revision leads to good learning. ठीक है, this can be considered fine. या frequently revision can be leads to learning या फिर ऐसा. चल ठीक है, good चल जाएगा इसमें. workable ठीक है. Accommodate adaptable person can command make a good command of your weakness. Again you have been commanding over here. Why do you want to command others? Sacrifice today comfort for tomorrow's success. ठीक है, workable. This is see, this much mistake you are doing in your psychological assessment, then what will happen? Chalo, before going to the SRT, yes Rahul, you can have the word with him.
कंटिन्यू करो आपका सवाल. थोड़ा एक काम कर रहा हूँ मैं, आप 1 सेकंड के लिए.
चलो ठीक है,
मैं बताता हूँ बाद में.
चलो SRT के साथ I will start with your. चलो the first one is 1 second. चलो the first one is for army or returning. Yeah, okay, heard. Alerted to people, help evacuating the area. Good. Workable, but you also have to. But alerting the people, why? People को तो पूरा sound सुनाई दे दिया होगा, है ना? Evacuating, help, coordinate with the people to evacuate. Inform your father. They were climbing a small rock and were about to reach top of them. Held his hand and pulled him up. ठीक है. Colleague slipped down. ठीक है. Refused, voted the right candidate. ठीक है. Okay, your type is 2 action, fine. 2. ठीक है, you are writing good in your SRT part. SRT में you are keeping it short and concise. Very good. SRT is fine. Check your 1 or 2. Due to cyclone, his family lost their possession and they had to make a fresh start. He is the eldest son in the restart. Where it is written that they are having a business.
सर
Why you are simplifying? Why you are simplifying this? Moreover, concentrate more. Got a job and supported family.
ओके.
Don't simplify the situation. He had reached Ganganagar that they are during in a process drop an enemy in the locality. He helped people join rescue operation. ठीक है. Next is a strike prayer up in the college and the student set the college bus on fire. He called the fire brigade and police tried controlling the student. ठीक है, workable. Good. सही है. Again you missed this one. Why? Never leave any SRT.
Sir, I haven't missed this one. I haven't मतलब मैं
अच्छा, rescue
उसे
करना।
बोल्ड करना भूल गया.
चलो ठीक है, रेस्क्यू बट हाउ लेकिन यहाँ पे लिखा है ओके यू नो दे SRT है, वो पता है उनको क्या कैसे रेस्क्यू करो. एक तो एक्शन तो लिखो हाउ यू आर रेस्क्यूइंग.
ओके.
सी हियर यू आर राइटिंग यूज रोप एंड ट्यूब टू पुल आउट हिज फ्रेंड. योर SRT इज फाइन. SRT में अच्छा कर. मेड गुड स्ट्रेटजी वन मैच देन मैच वेरी नाइस. ओके ठीक है, गुड. नथिंग बैड इन योर SRT पार्ट. SRT कैन बी वर्कड. SRT इज वर्केबल.
सर एक रिक्वेस्ट है सर, थोड़ा अगर मेरे को अगर एक्शंस के लिए थोड़ा अगर कुछ
सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रादर जो भेजेगा अभी राहुल विल सेंड यू द स्टोरी प्लस राहुल एक दो ना मैसेज अच्छे से रिकॉर्ड करके या फिर एक बार अभी आज या कल में फ्री हो गए तो एक बार पुनीत को बैठा के उसको थोड़ा अच्छे से सिखा देना.
पता है करने की कुछ जरूरत नहीं है पुनीत. में एक काम करो, कुछ तो मैंने आपको एक 20 स्टोरी भेजी है,
हाँ
तो
हाँ
उसमें एक न्यूट्रल मतलब उससे आइडिया ले लो, उसमें अच्छे अच्छे आइडिया लगे हैं। दूसरा काम ये करो,
सही
कुछ ये देवेश की किसी की इनकी स्टोरी देखो, जो अपने ग्रुप में आप 3-3 स्टोरी आती थी ना,
सही
उनमें से बहुत सारी स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बनी हुई है।
सही।
तो उनसे आइडिया लो। क्या है ना, देखो न्यूट्रल पिक्चर अगर तुम अपनी PIQ या लाइव टेस्ट पे लिख रहे हो, तो फिर उसमें मेरे आइडिया कहीं ना कहीं बेस्ड जाएंगे, ठीक है। तो और अगर आपको ऐसी प्रॉब्लम आती है तो जस्ट मेरे को कॉल करना, अपन 31 को रात को करते हैं, ठीक है क्लास।
सही है सर।
जब तक
और
उनमें से आप
इंटरव्यू भी
आइडिया देखो,
तुम्हारा
अगर
बचा
कोई ऐसी
हुआ है,
प्रॉब्लम आती है
तुम्हारा ना
31 को
इंटरव्यू
करते
व्हेन यू आर हैविंग योर FSB ऑन सेकंड एंड यू आर स्टेइंग इन दिल्ली इटसेल्फ, दिल्ली में रहते हो,
हाँ सर।
फिर तो फर्स्ट फर्स्ट को विल हैव योर इंटरव्यू सेशन, 1-on-1 इंटरव्यू बचा हुआ है ना तुम्हारा,
यस सर सर, हाँ इंटरव्यू बचा है। ओके सर, फर्स्ट को कर
we'll
लेते
have it on first, ठीक है। What do your parents think about yourself? My parents see me as a disciplined and a simple person. See again, you don't have to make it like this यार, वहीं पे लिखो, इसको यहीं पे लिखो, यहाँ पे they trust me and believe that I will achieve something meaningful in life and go through an honest effort, ठीक है। I am calm by nature and handle my but with patience, and however they feel sometime I make a bit more time you ensure perfection in my, ठीक है। workable, this is workable। टीचर्स में है, my teachers see me as a disciplined and appreciate my consistency in completing project and assignment on time and however they felt the preferred sitting in the back, देख ये मत लिख यार, they felt that this is okay, this is not at all required, this line, write something else, they believe that I have a potential to be more, this is okay, and what you can more include on this is helping the juniors,
ओके सर। व्हाट मतलब क्या नहीं इंक्लूड करना है मेरे को?
ये they felt I preferred sitting at the back, ये line मत करो,
ओके।
there is nothing in this line यार, nothing actually, कहीं पे भी better not an actually deal,
नहीं सर, बट उसमें ये चीज़ लिखी है मैंने कि बैक में इसलिए क्योंकि उनको ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ मेरा पार्टिसिपेशन कम है, इसलिए वो उनको ऐसा लगता है कि पीछे जाता है।
बैक वाला मत लिखो, डायरेक्टली इसको
ओके
ऐसे
ओके
लिख दो कि दे फाइंड मी दैट आई एम हैविंग अ गुड पोटेंशियल टू मोर ओवर यूटिलाइज, बस।
ओके ओके
My friend consider me as a supportive and helpful person. They find I am willing to help them in academic and topic assertive assignment. They also find me approachable as I listen to their problem and share sensible opinion. They find me enjoy company in which I miss I miss calls and I keep my phone silent, but they know I'm always there. ठीक है, this is workable, fine, workable. Next is what type of person you are. I'm a calm. Why you don't have to start like this? You actually have to. I feel that I'm a calm, disciplined
ओके
person. This preparation journey has taught me the importance. See, you don't have to specify your any journey over here. You have to tell them what type of person you are. Like, what do you think you have been? You don't have to write this type of thing, this preparation journey and etc. Directly write like you are this type of person. Directly go with I consider myself as a calm, continuous working and always goal oriented person. I find myself as a learner who want to learn new things and participate in different activities. Something like that.
ओके
Getting it?
नाइस। ओके सर।
Chalo, last one is what type of person you wanted to be. I want to become a more responsible, confident, and efficient person. I aim to improve my communication. See, you are more responsible. Responsibility तो कभी लिखो ही मत यार. Sense of responsibility चला जाएगा यहाँ से. Psychologist. Confident is fine. More यहाँ पे लिख देना. I want to be more confident and a person. Efficient. ठीक है, बस ये दोनों रख लेना. Efficient. Communication skill okay fine. Participation in discussion and quick decision making okay fine. I want quick decision making ऐसा मत लिखना. I want to be a person who can analyze the situation very quickly and come up with a decision for the betterment of it. ठीक है,
ओके
चलो
गॉट इट।
else it's workable. SRT and क्या कहते हैं तुम्हारा